Hey, what's up guys, David here, and today I'll be showing you guys how to solve the issue of the intermittent halo light or it not being able to work at certain times. Right, so as you can notice, my halo light is working normal here, and what usually happens is by default the halo light is configured to be available or enabled between 7 a.m. and 22 hours right there. So for most people you will have it turned on, but you'll notice that beyond a certain period it's not going to be working anymore, and most people may not notice the pattern. They'll just notice that, oh, at night all of a sudden it's not working, right? So you can now configure it to be, functional all throughout the day, even at night, or to just put it to your preferred settings. So just select custom, and then you decide what window of time you want it to be working in. Now you see that if I put it at right now it's 17 hours 56, and I just put it to 1750 or 1700, let's say 1750, which is the time that is behind the current time, which is 1757. You notice that much as my halo light is enabled and even flipped flashes on, if I flip it no longer flashes if I do that, right? But that's because now I've set the time. The light effect will only be on between 7 a.m. and 5:50, which is 17 hours 50, right? And the current time is 1757, so it's no longer within the very time for it to be enabled. So how do you configure yours to be on all the time? So basically you just have to choose custom here and set the time that you want. You can set it to start at, say, 00. That's at the middle of the night, and end at, say, 23:59. So that way it will always be on regardless of the time or day. As you can see there, it now flips, turns on. So that's how you solve that issue. And if that doesn't solve your problem, then you might have, probably a hardware issue. Yeah, if you've enabled everything, change the time, and your halo light is still not functional, then that might be a hardware issue. But otherwise, for most people, that's the issue that they have. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.